You're on this page for a reason. You've created the world's greatest product or service. There's just one problem. No one is buying it. Maybe you're doing your marketing in-house and seeing inconsistent results. Maybe you have a killer sales letter, promo video, or webinar, but can't get any traffic to it. You're buried in a dizzying array of potential traffic sources, but you don't have anyone who can make these traffic sources convert for you, and you certainly don't have time to figure it out yourself. I get it. You're an entrepreneur. You're busy. That's where I come in. I will take your ideas from inception to conversion. I will help you create consistent front-end sales and set up funnels that sell high-ticket products to your buyers. Conversion Consulting is a one-man show. It's me, Tyler Clark, but I also come with a network of industry-leading independent contractors. Whether it's web design, social media, or PPC, chances are that I know how to do it or I know someone who does. More importantly, I have the ability to create what you need most, a marketing funnel that does what it's supposed to do, ROI. I personally have worked with some of the top speakers in the internet marketing, real estate investing, and network marketing niches. Created automated webinar funnels to bring my clients hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on autopilot. Written high-converting sales letters, email autoresponders, direct mail pieces, and video scripts. Manage direct mail and pay-per-click campaigns that consistently ROI within 30 days, making the entire back-end pure profit. My specialty? Effortlessly selling high-ticket products through stealth techniques like automated webinars, email autoresponders, and intuitive follow-up sequences. Here's what a few of my clients have to say. Millionaire investors, Peter Conti and Jerry Norton. Tyler's automated webinar funnels consistently bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in sales for us. He manages all of our traffic, everything from joint ventures to direct mail, and somehow still finds time to write killer copy and track all of our campaigns. Tyler is our secret weapon. Direct mail wizard, Craig Simpson. I've sent out over 200 million direct mail pieces in my career, and Tyler consistently gets the best results I've ever seen for selling high-ticket items through the mail. Tyler is also one of the best up-and-coming copywriters I know. Now here's where you come in. I'm looking for clients that I can create massive windfalls for. There's just one catch, and this is not false scarcity. I can only take on 2 clients at this time to ensure quality work. 2 clients who have an established business and products to sell, are willing to spend at least $25,000 a month on paid traffic, are serious about bringing real value to the marketplace. If that's you, fill out the form on the right for a free 30-minute consultation call. On this call, I'll evaluate your business and work with you to create an actionable plan to increase your sales and profits. Your consultation call requires no commitment and costs you nothing. If you get value from it, we can discuss working together long term. I look forward to speaking with you.